Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add more friends to your Snapchat shortcut. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take is to open your Snapchat app and click on inbox at the bottom of your screen, and then once you're right here, just try to refresh your inbox and you find your shortcut at the top. As you see, there's this emoji right there, so that's the only shortcut I have, so I'm going to click on it. And this is my shortcut, and I have 4 contacts in this shortcut. So if I want to add more friends to this shortcut, all I have to do guys is to click on this plus sign at the top right there. So if I tap on that, then I will be able to select my shortcut. So this one right here, I'm going to tap on it, and then I can now select more friends to this shortcut, just like this. And then I'm going to click on save. So once that is saved, as you can see, I now have 7 more friends on this shortcut. So guys, this is how you can add more friends to your shortcut. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.